anti-corruption protest here in Nepal turned violent. The administrative buildings have been set on fire. I'm standing at the moment in the Supreme Court. This is the Supreme Court of Nepal. As you can see, these are the helpers who have come in to help clean the building, take the files out which are still intact. It is estimated that over 50,000 file cases have been destroyed in this fire. I will take you in. This is the main premises. This is the main premises of the Supreme Court of Nepal, and this is the main building. As you can see, all the files are being passed on from one person to another to clear out the building and the debris around. As I walk inside the building, I see shattered papers, shattered glasses, and debris around. You see, all of the people have come in to help the lawyers and the helpers of the Supreme Court to clean the building. We'll just take a walk inside and see the situation. You can see the entire wall is charred by fire, and however, we are yet to receive exact information on the loss that has incurred in the court. But many of the thousands of cases files have been destroyed in this fire. We'll take a walk in. You see, this is the line that is going from in to out, passing on the files from one person to another, trying to clear the building as soon as possible. This is the main entry gate to the building. As you can see, it is completely destroyed and charred, and debris around, shattered glasses around, all the windows panes have been broken. However, all the workers, all the lawyers anyway have gathered around to clean their own workplace. These are the burnt files, and it is estimated that thousands of file cases have been destroyed in this fire. You can see these walls which are completely charred, and in many of the areas in part of the Supreme Court we see that still this smoke is rising to the sky. Every person, every normal civilians have also come in to help the lawyers in. Thousands of file cases have been destroyed. The protesters attacked the government buildings, the administrative buildings, and have brought to the ground. I'm Saloni Murarka reporting from Kathmandu for WION, Nepal.